So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can instantly create a barcode for any product ID. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and you can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now here all you need to do is just simply search for a barcode generator index. You can see, just simply search it and open this first website that appear right in front of you, and here you're gonna see all you need to do is just simply paste the barcode, the product ID here, and it when once you click on this option which says generate barcode, it will directly generate the barcode for you that is going to be that is really scannable by some hardware machines that you can use anywhere you want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.